everyone, my name is Nazwa Nuraini and my friend.
Hari Zulfa Salsadila. Di sini kita akan membahas if conditional.
Yang pertama ada the definition. If conditional is a conditional sentence when someone want to express a condition that is different from reality. Example, if the weather is nice, we can have a picnic. Yang kedua ada function. Conditional sentence to state a cause in an event, relationship between a particular condition or situation, and action or outcome that might or might not occur. When can we ask conditional sentence? Conditional sentence can be used when dealing with situations such as. Yang pertama ada stage event that are not real, just as we imagine. Yang kedua ada reveal events that might occur in the future. Yang ketiga indicates events that are unlikely to occur. Yang keempat ada demonstrates general truth, common habits. Yang keempat ada telling about past events that did not go according to expectation. Then regret occurs. Generally, conditional sentences are sentences that are also known as if conditional. Conditional sentence types. Types of if clause to express fantasies and presuppositions in different conditions. In general, there are 4 conditional sentence types. However, here we will discuss 5 types of conditional sentence so that your grammar knowledge is more complete. Apart from grammar, you will also meet several tenses in English. Zero conditional sentence or conditional sentence type 0. It is a sentence to express condition in the form of action that are general truths through a statement general or events that usually occur. The formula for conditional sentence type 0 is if plus subject plus verb 1 or subject plus verb 1 plus complement which adopt the formula from the simple present tense. Example of sentence: if you finish the lunch, my mother will be happy. 2. Mom calms you down if you feel scared. 3. If red is mixed with white, it will definitely turn pink. Take an example from the sentence above in an example of conditional sentence type 0. 1. If you add your lunchbox, mother feels happy. 2. Mother confirms if feels great. Yang terakhir ada if red mixes with white, it definitely turns out pink.
The next is first conditional sentence atau conditional sentence type 1. Express condition that might occur in the future. This sentence is also known as future conditional type 1 because it uses a simple future tense pattern. The formula for conditional sentence type 1 is if plus subject plus verb 1 or subject plus will plus verb 1 plus complement. Example of sentence-nya itu ialah if you were here, I will tell you how I feel. From the 3 sentence above, jadi aku milih salah satu. Yang pertama itu yang if you are here, I will tell you my feelings. Fact-nya itu atau faktanya itu adalah if you were here, maybe I would dare to express my feelings. Nah, jadi di sini ada catatan juga nih, conditional sentence step 1 ini bisa menggunakan selain will untuk mengungkapkan kondisi yang mungkin terjadi. You can also use can, may, or shall. So the conditional sentence formula use is subject plus modal or will, can, may, or shall plus verb 1. The next is second conditional sentence atau conditional sentence step 2. In conditional sentence, step 2 refers to conditions that are unlikely to occur. In grammar, situations that are uncertain are expressed in the simple past tense. So, the type of second conditional in a conditional sentence is expressed with the verb formula to in the if clause accompanied by would in the main clause. Note, would is the second verb of the word will. So, the formula for conditional sentence type 2 is if plus subject plus verb 2 or subject plus would plus verb 1 plus complement. And lanjut ke example atau contohnya. Aku ambil dari ketiga tersebut itu yang pertama. If she woman was rich, she woman will travel the world. From the three examples above, let's change them into example of conditional sentence step 2. Jadi kita ambil dari yang satu yang tadi itu, yang if she were rich, she will travel the world. Faktanya, right now, she the woman is not yet rich and it is impossible for her to travel around the world. She the woman imagines that if she were a rich person, she would travel around the world. Notes. Jadi aku punya catatan dalam conditional sentence ini subjek yang bersifat singular seperti he, she, it menggunakan to be were bukan was. The next is third conditional sentence atau conditional sentence step 3. It is a form of sentence to express that there should have been a condition that could have happened in the past. Or it could also be to express a situation that should not have happened in the past, but instead happened. Therefore, the simple past perfect, which as verb 3 is placed as an if clause, and will have, which is also known as the past future perfect. Thence, formula is used in the main clause as an expression description. So, the formula for conditional sentence type 3 is if plus subject plus had plus verb 3 or subject plus would have plus verb 3 plus complement. Example of sentence. If you are more careful, you will definitely not have an accident. Jadi aku membuat example dari yang atas ini kan ada 3. Cuman aku milih satu. Yang pertama itu adalah yang if you had been more careful, you wouldn't have had an accident. Itu adalah example of conditional sentence step 3. Faktanya ini adalah going back to the past. If you had been more careful, accident would not have happened. This means that at the time you were reckless and ended up having an accident. Kalian pasti bingung kenapa ada have, ada had lagi, padahal artinya sama. Jadi faktanya fungsi have sama had ini tuh di sini berbeda. Kenapa? Jadi itu so in the fact the function of have and had her are different, you know. Have in the sentence above is part of the past future perfect tense. All forms of perfect sentence use variation of have. Have, has, had, followed by the third form of the verb 3. Meanwhile, had in the sentence above is included in verb of 3 have, which has the meaning of having or obtaining or expressing. Yang terakhir adalah mixed conditional sentence atau conditional sentence type 4 or mixed. This is a sentence that refers to the past to show your current condition. Mixed conditional applies to describing condition in the past with your action in the present. So, the formula in the mixed conditional sentence is a combination of the second conditional and third conditional types. Jadi ini kombinasi dari 2 second conditional dan 3 conditional types. It should be noted that a mixed conditional ini type of conditional sentence that states a past or present situation that did not happen. Example-nya itu ada, if you taught me how to make brownies, I will then buy them at the store. Jadi di sini kita akan buat conditional sentence type 4 atau mixnya. Jadi itu menjadi if you had taught me how to make brownies. Itu yang third conditional plus simple past perfect. Kalau second conditional plus simple past tense-nya itu ada I wouldn't buy it in the store. Faktanya, well, if you had taught me how to make brownies, I wouldn't have bought them at the store. In fact, you didn't teach me, so I still continue to buy brownies at the store until now.